Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1998 Subura Legacy Lancaster all-wheel drive. It is 4x4. It has the 2.5 liter non-turbo 4-cylinder EJ25 with an automatic transmission. This Legacy has 49,020 miles. It is 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. It also does go away. Alright, the number that you're seeing down here, 78,892. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 49,020. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. All right, we'll start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of you guys. It does mean the world to us. I do pray that y'all do have a blessed and safe day as well.